Speech on International Tiger Day, 29th July. Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today we celebrate International Tiger Day, a special day dedicated to protecting and raising awareness about tigers. These magnificent creatures are known for their strength and beauty, but they are also in danger. Tigers are important because they help keep the balance of nature. They control the population of other animals, which helps maintain healthy forests and ecosystems. Unfortunately, due to poaching and habitat loss, the number of tigers in the wild has dropped dramatically. Now there are fewer than 4,000 tigers left in their natural habitats. International Tiger Day is a reminder that we all need to work together to save tigers from extinction. There are many ways we can help. First, protecting their homes. We need to preserve and restore the forest and areas where tigers live. This ensures they have enough space to hunt and raise their cubs. Second, stopping poaching. Stronger laws and better enforcement can help stop illegal hunting and trading of tigers and their body parts. Third, raising awareness. By educating others about the importance of tigers and the threats they face, we can inspire more people to take action. Fourth, supporting conservation efforts. Donating to and volunteering with organizations that work to protect tigers can make a big difference. Remember, saving tigers is not just about protecting a single species. It's about ensuring the health of our planet and preserving the natural beauty and diversity of life on Earth. Let's use this International Tiger Day as a chance to commit to protecting these incredible animals. Together, we can make sure that tigers continue to thrive in the wild for generations to come. Thank you. Please save tigers, save wildlife. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.